What's good, family? It's your brother, Chef Abdul, and we're back with this delicious recipe video. In this video, we will be recreating our vegan oxtails, or some say mocktails. The full recipe is in my ebook, guys. The ebook dropped. Thank you so much for going out and purchasing this book, guys. I really appreciate it. The book is basically about how to make your own mock meat. If you are struggling as a vegan and you're gluten-free, soy-free, these recipes will help. I did not use any gluten at all to recreate these dishes. So for today's oxtails, it's soy-free, gluten-free, and lab-free. It was created in your kitchen, guys. You got the ebook, so you got my full recipe. All right, guys. So remember, every mock meat that you create from this ebook, you're using your personal seasoning. So if you want it to taste like beef, you know exactly what type of seasoning to put. All right, guys. In my ebook recipe, I also showed a few pictures of seasonings that I love to use that actually helps my food come out the way I need it to, you know. So as you can see, I'm frying this vegan oxtails, right? So we're gonna fry it down so it can get nice and tender. We're vegan, so we're using non-animals. All right, guys. So back in the days, you know, you wash it up and you saute it and you fry it first, and then you saute it in some nice brown sauce, you know. And in that brown sauce, what did you put? You put the green peppers, the onions, you know, and the scotch bonnet, you know, and give it that flavor, guys, right? So if you have the recipe in that ebook, this is what we are recreating. You're recreating your version, all right, of oxtails. Everybody have their own version. All right, guys, so we're gonna just saute down these vegetables so we could add our vegan oxtails. All right, guys. So as you can see, I added the oxtails to the pot, added my seasoning and the butter bean. To get more flavor, go ahead and add your scotch bonnet and some thyme. If you got fresh or dry, it doesn't matter, guys. All right, and then we're gonna add the water. So like I said, the full recipe is in the ebook. All right, guys, so I can't really give you all the details, you know. Run and get that ebook. If you got it, let's get the cooking. Don't forget, hit the like button and subscribe. Pladao, we did it. Here is your vegan oxtails. Peace.